What's up, everybody? Chevy Dave here with a really cool and interesting thing that I just found out that was available. So if you're like me and you come from the stereo world and you want that extra bump in your vehicle, but don't want to hack up your vehicle or do anything like that, but you want that extra low end, being a guy that used to install stereo systems back in the day, but just don't have the time or the energy to do it, Chevy has this really cool new factory accessory that you can install from Kicker Audio. So it's all plug and play. You don't have to hack in or do anything to the vehicle. It works right with your factory equipment and sounds amazing. And it's pretty inexpensive. Plus, it comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on it. So these work on trucks from 2014 and newer. You can get these put into your vehicle. So if you're driving around in a 2015 that is past the 3-year, 36-mile warranty on it, you can still get this today, get it installed, and you get a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on that subwoofer from whenever it's installed. That's pretty cool. So most subs only come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, and sometimes you have to pay to get extended warranty. So this will be covered for 3 years of 36,000 miles. That's pretty neat. And it works with the factory stereo system. Even if you have Bose, you can do it on all Silverados, including Colorados and Canyons, and also Tahoes and Suburbans as well. They fit, as far as the trucks, they fit right underneath the seats, and they're really sweet. So if you want more information, my contact information is below. Make sure you hit me up. Also, if you own a business right now, through, I think it's the end of June, if you own a business and you buy a brand new truck, you get either $400 or $1,000 worth of accessories for free. So if you're a business owner and you're looking for a truck, now's the time to do it. So come in and talk to me. All my contact information is below, and hit me up. All right, this is Chevy Dave, and have a wonderful day. See ya.